little bit of a downer going into our opening league game against Crean. We lost Dylan. You know, he's been our guy for 3 years now, but we have faith in both Elliott and Blake to step up and get it done, and I know our other guys will play even harder than they already do, and I think we'll be okay.
I'm just here to support them, you know, like I don't want to just like disassociate myself from this team. I know I would still want to be a big part of it and like help motivate my guys.
Focus, concentration, everybody's 0-0 right now, right? Let's get a leg up on the Empire League, boys. Cypress on set. Cypress! Woo! The league championship is still alive. The CIF championship is still alive. All those things are. We just all have to play a little bit better than we've played.
Let's go, Cypress! Let's go! Let's go, Cypress! Let's go! Let's go, Cypress!
Good.
Yeah, Trevor, good block! Keep going, Tomas!
Hey.
Hold on! There we go! Let's go, keep moving! Let's go!
PAT.
Let's go, PAT.
There's no way on God's green earth I'm gonna let us get to 50 points. Won't happen, okay? We're gonna keep going though until we get to the 40s. But we'll never do that to somebody. I'm watching one guy on this kickoff. Guess who? You. I want you to go down and do something awesome right now.
Come on, Jesse! Come on, Jesse!
No, you always run behind 77. You always run behind 77.
Good job, boys. Hey, way to gang tackle, way to gang tackle.
Good job, Smalls. Good job, Smalls. Stay on it, Smalls. That's out. That's out.
Number three!
Outside, Smalls. Good job. Make a tackle.
Go, Neil!
Great job by everybody. Both new quarterbacks were outstanding tonight. Tomas's birthday?
I feel like our team just like practices hard and overcomes adversity, like I've been saying. And like we have some skilled, really good guys that know how to step up. And like our line, our two quarterbacks, really young, but they got it done tonight, and I'm proud of them. And we just want to prove everyone wrong that we can still compete in this league.
Yeah, obviously our QB1 went down, but Coach Crooks and Feldman really stepped up, had the defense step up as well. Yeah, and then we do our thing, you know. We got a lockdown on defense, and we got to do what we do on offense as well.